I'm Chanel. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing my hair. I'm in protective mode right now, so I just washed my hair and I'm about to deep condition and prep my hair to get a weave. So I'm just going to go through deep conditioning my hair and basically just chill. So if you've seen my last couple videos, I did a hair straightening video. I straightened my hair, and that was about a month ago. And I wore my hair straight, but not out. It was still like in the bun, and then I had it like a half up, half down, and then I had it straight for probably about maybe 2 weeks, maybe a week and a half, and then I ended up just wearing a wash and go while I was away in Philly. And after I did that wash and go in Philly, I just came back home and braided my hair up and put a weave in it. So I wore that for 2 weeks. So now it's been a month since I straightened my hair, but as you can see, I don't have any heat damage. I can get closer just so I can show. And my hair is growing a lot. My fro is getting way bigger. Like, I'm so hyped. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I can tell the difference, and like all of this is just way higher. Like, and it's starting to round out a little bit because my hair is super boxy because of my taper cut. And I'm so hyped. Like, I'm not gonna eat no more. Today, to deep condition my hair, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafora Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. And then I'm pairing that with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power. So I'm putting these two together because I need moisture, but I also want to do a protein treatment because I straightened my hair. And the last time I did a protein treatment, I gotta look it up on my channel, but I believe it was like 2 months ago or something like that. With some moisture. I've only used this one time, but I didn't use it on camera. I don't even think I talked about it. But everybody on YouTube and every black girl use this hair mask. It's super hydrating. It's very thick, as you can see, like super thick. So I'm about to mix this in a bowl. Yeah, with the protein treatment. And I'm going to do it the same way that I do my deep condition any other time in any of my videos. I'll list a couple of my videos in the information bar as well as the description box. So, like I said, I start from the back and I just add the hair. Add the hair. What? That's how you know I don't have heat damage, because my shit really like curling up. Let me get closer. Like, you can see it curling up so well. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through and put this in my hair, like I said. Yeah, but I just wanted to get on here and talk because I probably won't be doing the wash and go. Well, I don't know. I might be about to say that because I had to stop doing wash and goes. I told you that my last wash and go was almost 2 months ago, and that was because my last couple wash and goes, like, even when they came out right, they ended up not lasting as long. Like, or I didn't even like the way my hair is shaped right now. Like, my ends needed to be clipped really bad, so I just clipped my ends, so that may help my wash and goes a little bit better. Honestly, like, I'm really just trying to figure out what to do in this awkward stage because my hair is getting longer, but it's not long. My hair is getting out of the state that it was for like a previous time, and I'm enjoying seeing like the growth and all that stuff. But the downside to that is the fact that nothing works after you figure out, you know, your hair in that stage. You get used to it, and then your hair, as soon as you get used to it and think you got it down pat, your hair changes all over again. Like, it's kind of annoying. But it's also like really nice to see and your progress, and like the fact that you know, are making progress and you doing something right. Like, it helps and tells you like what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, blah blah blah. So I definitely like that, but it's hard to readjust. Like, every 2 or 3 months I gotta readjust my routine, readjust how I do stuff, and it's not really bad. It's just I don't know how to do my hair right now. Like my hair is getting longer on the ends, but the top is significantly longer than the ends. And like I said, my top has always been looser than my bottom. So with my tapered look and this boxy cut, it looks weird when I do a wash and go now, because it covers up all my curls on the side. Like, and that's super annoying. Like I really don't like the way that look. And it just drives me nuts. Like, I don't know, it bothers me so bad. Like, give myself a rest and, like, you know what, let me just cover up my hair so I don't want to just straighten it or, you know, wear it straight or something like that and fall back into, you know, how I used to do. So I'm like, alright, whatever. Like, I'm going to just try to do a weave, do braids, all that stuff. And it's summertime, too. Like, I think curls work better in the summertime, but I'm in Texas, so I don't think that really matters. It's super humid. So, you know, with closures these days, I don't have to worry about wearing my hair out and braids and all that stuff. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to see how long I can do this. And I think I'm going to end up just coming back with maybe a wash and go here and there when I want to try a new product. And like showing my progress and stuff like that. Like my hair is significantly longer than it's ever. Like this shit looks so crazy to me, but because it's like really down the hair now. Like, and my hair was really like a little itty bitty teeny weeny. Like I feel like a cheetah pet. Like I just keep seeing the growth and it's just so amazing to me. Like niggas probably looking like you still bald head. Okay, I'm done applying my deep conditioner, and as you can see, I don't have no straight pieces, nothing like that. I'm just saying that because I didn't update my hair once I straightened it, and it's like I said, it's been a month since then, and I have washed my hair since I straightened it. But yeah, I didn't do it on camera or nothing like that. But yeah, so I'm going to follow the rest of my regular deep conditioner routine. But just real quick, like, this looks fine. Like, I guess the shape of this looks okay. But I fucking hate it. Like, and it is, I think it's like an inch longer than my last wash and go video. And I don't know if that's even true because once it dries, it'll shrivel back up. But I don't know, like, I don't like the shape of this. Like, it's really not cute to me. I don't know what to do. Like, this stage here is ugly to me. Like, it's not ugly, but it's not my favorite. Like, I enjoyed my actual baldness, like my low cut, like bald cut, more than I enjoy this. Like, I don't know what's going on, and then like I can't part it. Like, I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because it's a little bit longer than my last one, but so it look a little bit okay. But I honestly don't like this, and like I said, my top of my hair is not as curly as the bottom and the sides, so this comes off really like not cute. I don't know. I'm in this awkward moment and I don't know what to do, so I'm just going to protect my way through it. And like I said, I just wanted to show that because I know people be watching me for my hair, like, you know, because they got the same kind of hair or something like that. And I don't know. I'm in this awkward stage and I hate it. I enjoy the fact that my hair is growing. Like, I can feel the weight, my hair being heavier than it used to be. I can see the significance in the difference between the two. But yeah, this is not it, sis. No, it's ugly. Not cute.